Hello everyone, my name's Adrian. I'm an exercise physiologist at our Optimum Blacktown clinic here at our Eastbrook Medical Centre. So I get a lot of patients referred here from doctors who may be experiencing neck pain. When I delve deep into their lifestyle, it does generally involve a lot of sitting. May it be through desk job, student life, or just generally slouch posture. What that slouch posture does is it causes a tightness through the anterior compartment here through your major pec muscles and your neck muscles up here. What we want to do is stretch out the front muscles, so whether that's through a corner wall stretch or even a hanging stretch for the pec minor, and then following that you do want to strengthen up those tight muscles through say a modified push-up progression, or even a bench press. Now let's move on to the back. What's happening back here is our rear delts, our traps, our rhomboids and our lats are what's called eccentrically loaded. So they're holding on for dear life under a great stretch, trying to make sure that this part of the body isn't going too far forward. A common remedy, or my favorite remedy for this, is strength training. Basically, a tight muscle is a weak muscle. So after we do some basic stretches on the front compartment of the chest, we do like to work on a lot of horizontal pulling movements, do the work that these muscles are supposed to be doing rather than like this all day. So some exercises can include a lat pull down, a seated row, a stiff arm extension for example. But basically we need to do a lot of pulling movements to make sure our back is doing its job of keeping our spine upright, thus leading to better head carry, better posture, less headaches, less neck pain, and overall just improving quality of life throughout the day. If any of you need any help with any of these exercises or experiencing any of that neck pain, the exercise physiologist and team here at Optimum Health Solutions Blacktown will be happy to help. See you then.